Hello friends, in this video we will discuss digital logic families. At the end of this video we will be learning the basics of digital integrated circuits, that is called ICs, the different types of transistor logics, the concept of metal oxide semiconductors, the different types of BIMOS logic circuits. So the important part is why this is important, why we are learning. Because once we see the circuits on in any book or on internet, then we can see we are connecting different AND gates, OR gates, NOT gate, NAND gates, and we are as per the expression, Boolean expressions, we are using the gates and trying to get the output. But practically once we connect these types of gates, so it is not very easy, because whenever we are connecting the two devices we have to take care of compatibility, because otherwise we will be facing the compatibility issues. The output of the circuit should match with the input of the other circuits we are trying to connect. This is referred as compatibility. So once we are using two different devices, two different gates connecting, then we have to take care of compatibility issues. The designer of the circuit should take care while matching the characteristics of the circuit and voltage of two circuits of two different families, especially once we are connecting the two devices belongs to the different families. We have to take care of compatibilities. Digital integrated circuit ICs operated with binary signals. Characteristics of digital ICs are speed of operation, fan in. Fan in means the number of gates can be connected at input side. That is, this I am explaining in a simple word. We'll discuss in detail later on. Fan out means number of gates can be connected at the output of particular device or gate. And the most importantly, noise immunity, because we want to minimize the noise so that we can get the better results. So digital integrated circuits, so digital ICs can be classified into two categories. First one is MOS family. It includes the following metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, that is called MOSFETs. There are three types of MOSFETs we are using: P channel MOSFET, N channel MOSFET, complementary MOSFETs. The second category of digital integrated circuits is bipolar logic families. These bipolar logic families are again classified in two categories: saturated and non-saturated logic families. If we see the logic saturated logic families, then the resistor transistor logic, resistor capacitor transistor logic, diode transistor logic, high threshold logic, transistor logic, integrated injection logic, these belongs to the saturated logic families. And once we discuss the non-saturated families, then Scott, uh, Schottky, TTL, and emitted coupled logic, these are the two belongs to the category of non-saturated. Now we'll discuss RTL. RTL means registered transistor logic, where the whole circuit is fabricated using resistors and transistors only. So RTL OR gate consists of resistors and transistors. Yes, if the input of RTL are low, then the transistors are turned off. Therefore, the output of the circuit is at 1. Similarly, if the any of the input of RTL is high, then the transistor are turned on. Therefore, the output of the circuit is at logic 0. The characteristics of RTL families are: operation speed is low, average power of dissipation is high, high sensitive to temperature but poor immunity noise. These are, we have to take care of these characteristics whenever we are designing or developing these circuits, because deciding on the on the basis of these characteristics,